In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Classroom in 2025, whether you're a student trying to access assignments or a teacher managing a virtual classroom. This guide is designed to help you get logged in quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've opened your browser, navigate to Google Classroom's official login page. You can do this by typing Google Classroom login into your search engine and selecting the official link, or you can directly enter the URL if you know it. Next, you'll be met with the Google Classroom homepage. Here, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button and you'll be redirected to the Google Sign In page. On this page, it's time to enter your account details. You'll want to input your Google account information here, typically an email address or phone number associated with your account. For students, this might be a school-issued email. Make sure you're entering this information carefully to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your email, click the Next button. Afterward, the page will prompt you to enter your password. Again, it's important to enter your password correctly. If you've forgotten it, or you're experiencing issues logging in, there is an option provided to recover your password. Simply follow the guided steps for password recovery and you should be able to reset it. Once your password is entered, click on the Next button again. If your credentials are correct, you'll be logged into Google Classroom. You'll then see your dashboard filled with any classes that you are enrolled in or manage. From here, you can easily navigate through different classes, check assignments, join meetings, and much more. If you're using a Google Workspace account provided by your school or organization, there might be additional security steps involved. You could be prompted to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. In this case, follow the instructions provided on screen to proceed with the verification process. There you have it, a straightforward way to access Google Classroom in 2025. Remember to always sign out of your account if you're using a public or shared device to keep your information secure. And that's all there is to it. Logging into Google Classroom has never been easier. Keep these steps in mind and you'll be all set for your digital learning or teaching experience. Thanks for watching and have a great day learning and teaching with Google Classroom.